When God is about to do something in your life, men will let you down. Whenever people ignore you, you know that you are growing closer to your breakthrough. Men will be attracted to a vision that has been born, but they will not be attracted to the journey to that vision. That is when you have to seek the face of God. When you are about to encounter your breakthrough, people will walk away. But when they walk away, God walks in. It doesn't matter who has walked away. When Jesus comes in, you don't need a person. He can do it without their help. Whenever your breakthrough is coming, by the way, if people rush and say we are standing with you, worry about that. Because if it is from God, you will knock on doors and the doors will close. Mary and Joseph knocked on doors and they found no room to push out their vision, to push out purpose. But the Holy Spirit had already overwhelmed Mary. When Jesus visits you, when the power of God is on you, you can stand up and walk into purpose. There are people that are watching. You received a vision and your husband refused to stand with you. Your wife refused to stand with you. The closest people to you abandoned you. It is time to seek his face. He can do what 1,000 people cannot do. He can do what 1,000,000 people cannot do. What you were expecting men to do for you is not even necessary.